John Lewis were really interested in nurturing design talent, and they came to the university with an interesting brief which is set around the fact that that homes in the UK are actually the smallest in the Western world. That leaves some really interesting opportunities for multifunctional furniture within those spaces.
I think the biggest challenge was the brief was very specific. Therefore, we need to bring very unique idea to it. I designed this table for a small space. It has a big storage capacity as well. The idea is people work on the table and play with it. And when the meal is ready, you just open it and pull everything inside and close it.
I'm a visiting lecturer at Central St Martin's, and I've also designed the Noah collection for John Lewis. I've really enjoyed working with the students and mentoring them through this project. It's been a great opportunity for the students to work with John Lewis as a client, and I've been helping them through understanding manufacturing techniques and keeping their design simple for the customers to understand.
Predominantly, the dining table gets used mainly as a desk rather than a dining surface. So in Hazel, I decided to look at how I could incorporate the desk into the surface itself. I wanted to make sure that there was enough space for a laptop, a notepads, all stationery, and it also contains holes within the space to thread through cables for your laptop.
My main challenge was pretty much focused on John Lewis's heritage as a British design company and how I could combine light contemporary design with a product that would suit them.
The aesthetic of Hazel mainly relates back to the idea of Scandinavian design in the 50s and the 60s.
My table is a folding console table / dining table. It works around a pivot system. The legs rotate round on a brass pivot and lock into place. Then you simply fold over the tabletop, which folds along its length as opposed to on its width. For me, the most challenging aspect was designing something that could be refined to a level that it could go into an actual retail environment. The inspiration for this table was that I wanted to change people's perceptions of folding or collapsible furniture. Often it can be perceived as quite cumbersome or awkward, and I just wanted to design something that would be very simple, sturdy, and quite elegant to move and use. The philosophy behind this is that you can avoid cumbersome mechanisms and avoid visible fixings on the table. It uses traditional joinery techniques in quite a new way to create something that's really reliable for the consumer.
I wanted to design a chair that was really long-lasting and the user would be able to enjoy for their lifetime. So I was looking at things like comfort. It needs to be really comfortable for someone to enjoy it, and also looking at how a chair can be functionally and aesthetically long-lasting. So the next phase is looking at manufacturing the chair, and with the aim of it being in stores in 2013. I'm really excited, and I'm just really proud to have one of my designs out in the marketplace.